Several reputable brands offer high-quality marine paints at budget-friendly prices. These brands are well known in the industry for delivering reliable products that don't compromise on performance. In this video we will be discussing the top budget-friendly marine paint brands. First on the list is the Epocoat Hard Top GX, high-solid aliphatic polyurethane marine paint. Our Epocoat Hardtop GX, high-solid aliphatic polyurethane marine paint, is a two-component aliphatic polyurethane coating with outstanding exterior weather resistance, excellent color gloss retention, non-chalking, and non-yellowing characteristics. Secondly, Jotun. Jotun is a leading brand in the marine paint industry, known for its high-performance coatings. The company offers a range of budget-friendly options that provide excellent protection against the elements. Thirdly, Hempel. Hempel is another trusted name in marine paints, offering affordable solutions for various marine applications. Their products are formulated to deliver strong protection and good coverage, ensuring your boat remains well protected. With the help of this video, you now understand the top budget-friendly marine paint brands. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on top budget-friendly marine paint, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.